Good morning, it's Peter here at Zilsey again on the beach in the morning. Not so much sun this morning, we had rain overnight and there's more scheduled. But yeah, today's day 187 of Peter and Doxie sailing from New South Wales to Queensland. It is Monday, so I'm hoping we'll get some sort of feel for progress at the moment and expected outcomes for getting back into the water all completed. So feeling a little nervous. You never know what's been happening, right? Anyway, let's see what the day brings. Right, well, we've gone out for a bit of a drive. This is Cawarral Creek, which is just to the south of Zilsey, and looking in the distance there, that's Cappel Sands, where we went probably a few weeks ago now, but yeah, bigger than I thought it would be. A few boats here. That's getting away from it. Nice. Okay, so be pretty protected. And apparently there's a crocodile in there somewhere. And that's impressive looking hill over there. And now off to Cooberrie Wildlife Sanctuary. Enough said. It was exciting. This is the first time I'd seen a cassowary. Yes, they have quite a reputation. Look at the feet on them. Imagine what damage they can do, ripping you to bits. And the little fan thing on their head, that bone, it just makes it really feel like there's not much between them and the dinosaurs, basically. Here's little mama. There's Joey there, you can see his legs hanging out and the tail out of the... And more crocodiles. If you haven't seen the previous one. No, you've seen more crocodiles here. No, he's just gone off to sleep again. It's the middle of the day and it's hot. Don't disturb this koala. It must be a middle of the day thing. One finally put their tails feathers up and then they all did. So what a fantastic sight. Can never get over the electric colours. We know what colour your undies are.